Okay dear, tell me about yourself. This is the one question that starts almost every interview and yet most of the students mess it up over here. Hi, this is me Kiran Rohira. I'm here to teach you to answer this question that sounds clear, confident and puts a very good first impression on your interviewer even if you have no job experience. So let us first understand that why this question is so important in the interview. Why this question is being asked? What is the purpose of this question? Students, please understand, this is not just a warm-up question और ये कोई ऐसा question नहीं है जो interviewer just start करने के लिए पूछ रहा है आपसे because you are just the another candidate. This question judges your confidence, your communication and whether you are fit for this role or not. So it is very important that you answer this question in a structured and relevant manner and do not say any of your life stories. I have seen many students doing same mistakes again and again, such as repeating their resume word by word or using such taglines or punchlines such as I'm hardworking, I'm punctual and I'm multitasking and I love to listen music. This is a vague answer. It gives no clarity to the interviewer about your future goals, about your job profile you're applying for, and you are not prepared for the interview. Don't underestimate the power of this question. Why I'm saying so? Because it sets the tone for the entire interview which is going to be held further. So it is very important that you answer this question in a structured and relevant manner and you are not giving your life stories there. Students, whenever we are being taught to introduce ourselves since our childhood, from class 1st to 5th or maybe later on, we are always in a habit of introducing ourselves, just the name, university, our hobbies and so on. This interview or introduction is very different from that which you used to give in your childhood days. Now, why it is different? This you need to understand. Imagine a situation wherein a person coming at your doorstep trying to sell you something unique. कुछ unique आपको बेचने आता है, such as comb or maybe a pen or anything which a person is coming at your doorstep. If he will only tell you that this is my product and this is the company and I am from so and so place and kindly buy this product, will you be able to buy or will you actually think of buying that product? No, right? Because unless and until he tells you about the need of that product and unless and until he explains you that this product is much needed by you and without it you won't be able to make your things better, you will not choose that product. It is not convincing, but it's an art of telling you the need of that product. In the same way, you are here to sell yourself. Selling and marketing skill is very important for a management graduate, and please understand that unless and until you are not able to sell yourself in the interview, you will not be selected. अपने आप को बेचना आना, this is very important. अब कैसे बेचेंगे आप अपने आप को? ये बता के कि आप उस कंपनी में क्या कंट्रीब्यूट कर सकते हैं, आपके होने से कंपनी का क्या ग्रोथ हो सकता है, एंड देन ओनली द इंटरव्यू विल बी इंटरेस्टेड इन यू, नोइंग अबाउट यू. इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन इन सच अ मैनर दैट इट फॉलोज अ पर्टिकुलर फॉर्मेट. And I'm going to help you with this format. So now the question comes that how to formulate this answer. So for that, you can follow this quick 3-step process which will help you to formulate in a better way. सबसे पहले start with your present. You can talk about whatever you're pursuing at present, whether it's any degree or maybe you are doing an internship or job, जो भी आप कर रहे हैं उसके बारे में बताइए. Then you need to talk about your past events such as whatever you have done in your college days, whatever the events which you have organized or any extraordinary activities in which you were involved in. You can talk about this, and especially the one which are relating to the job profile. You need to talk about that skills and experience. And the third one, which decides whether you are putting an impact or not, is aligning them with your future goal. That is talking about your future goal, such as you can tell them that how your past activities or your present activities can contribute to your future success and what kind of change you can bring in the company. Or you can talk about how long you wanted to be associated with the company. So let us now understand with using 2 simple examples. One I'll be taking from marketing field and the other one from HR. So for example, for marketing field, you can say that currently I am in my final year of BBA and have a keen interest in marketing domain. Last semester, I did a social media marketing internship wherein I was responsible to handle live campaigns. and now I'm looking for an entry-level job role wherein I can apply my content and communication skills. Now this answer is short, crisp and your future goals से align करता है. And similar for HR, you can tell that I am currently in final year of my MBA in HR, and over the last 2 years I was actively involved in organizing recruitment drives and seminars in my college. Before this, I've completed my BBA and topped in my class, and also interned with ABC Private Limited to learn the real life HR processes. But now I'm looking to join an organization wherein I can contribute with my people skills and also learn real HR challenges in a growing organization. This answer too aligns with your present, past and future goals. Remember this 3-step process. You will be able to formulate your answer for any domain of your choice. This particular process will not only able to make a structured answer for you, but will also give you the confidence that you are speaking the right thing at the right place. Before ending this video, I would also like to give you some 3 bonus tips, 4 chand on your introduction. So tip number 1 is that you, before going to the interview, always practice your introduction in front of a mirror. You can also use create a dummy session wherein you can ask your friend or any of your relatives to be an interviewer for you, and to ask you about this question, wherein you can practice this answer in front of them. And this really helps because it will give you the instant feedback. And the second tip is that you have to put a gentle, calm smile on your face with a proper eye contact. And that it is very important because it sets a tone of the interview and a soothing environment in which you are also comfortable. Many times when we go for the interview, we are very nervous. Even if we know the things very well, हमें सब आता है, but हमें इतनी nervousness होती है कि हम कुछ नहीं कर पाते. So this smile and a deep breath and a proper eye contact, sitting properly and making yourself comfortable first sets your confidence at place as well. So this tip is very important. And the third last tip, which is again very useful, is that keep your answer short and crisp. Don't make it a lengthy affair. It should be between 30 to 90 seconds, 60 to 90 seconds in fact, but it should not be more than that. Don't make your answer monotonous or just another candidate who is tell me about yourself while answer in front of the interviewer. So you have to take care of these 3 tips and it will definitely give you positive results. If you want me to help you with this, you can write your tell me about yourself version in the comment section for me to review and help you about it. And if you really liked this question, share it with as many as friends possible, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, that is The Confident Grad, for more interview ready questions.